Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps to require Face ID on iOS 18. On iOS 18 you can hide an app from your home screen by just choosing an app you want to hide, then pressing and holding on it and clicking on Require Face ID. Then you can either click on Require Face ID, so it will not be hidden, but to open the app you'll need to unlock it with Face ID, or you can hide and require Face ID, then it will disappear from the home screen and will be in hidden folder in App Library. Let's click on Hide and Require Face ID, then unlock your phone with Face ID. OK. And now click on Hide App. You can see now it's hidden and it was Airbnb, and when I search for Airbnb it doesn't show up, but when I scroll down to hidden I can click on it, unlock it with Face ID, or if not Face ID then passcode, and you can see that here are my two hidden apps, Airbnb and Facebook. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.